Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to talk to you about this multi-cooker, Ninja Foodi MAX 15-in-1 SmartLid Multicooker and air fryer. Are you looking for one of the kitchen appliances that can do everything faster, healthier, and easier? The Ninja Foodi MAX 15-in-1 SmartLid might be exactly what you need. This is not just a pressure cooker or an air fryer. It is a powerful all-in-one cooking solution that brings 15 cooking functions into a single, easy-to-use machine. Whether you are making a quick meal for yourself or cooking dinner for the whole family, this appliance can handle it all. One of the most impressive features is the smart lid system. Unlike older model, this uses just one lid for everything. With the smart lid slider, you can easily switch between three main cooking modes: pressure cook, combi steam, and air fryer, and more. No lid change, no confusion, just slide and cook. The combi steam mode is a standout feature. It combines steam with convection heat to give you tender, juicy food with a perfectly crisp finish. It is ideal for meals like roast chicken, fish, and vegetables. You can even cook a whole chicken in under an hour with crisp skin and moist meat. What also makes this model unique is its inbuilt smart cook system, which includes a digital cooking probe. This smart probe monitors the temperature of your meal in real time and lets you choose your preferred doneness, whether it is rare, medium, or well done. No need to guess or keep checking. It also safely releases pressure automatically, making pressure cooking easier and safer than ever. When it comes to the speed, this device truly delivers. It can cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods. Air fryer mode gives you crisp results, less fat than deep frying, healthier meal without sacrificing flavor or texture. The 7.5-liter capacity makes it perfect for families or for cooking in bulk. Whether you are feeding 6 to 8 people or preparing meals for the week, there is plenty of space. It is also energy efficient and compact compared to running an oven or stove, making it ideal for small kitchens or flats. The Ninja Foodi MAX is built with stainless steel and plastic, giving it a sleek, modern look with durable performance. It is easy to clean too. Most accessories are non-stick and dishwasher safe. This product got 15 cooking functions. Got pressure cook, air fry, steam, slow cook, yogurt, saute, bake, roast, grill, dehydrate, prove, steam meals, steam air fry, steam bake, steam roast. This appliance truly replaces multi-kitchen gadgets. It is versatile, reliable, and easy to use. It is smart design with outstanding performance. Ninja Foodi MAX 15-in-1 Smart Lid is a smart investment for any kitchen. It is ideal for busy families or anyone who wants to save time and space without compromising on taste or quality. If you are looking for fast, flexible way to cook nearly anything, this product deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.